Imagine waking up to a blinding whiteout, the world around you buried under 50 inches of snow. This was the reality for residents of the northeastern United States in March 1888. Known as the Great Blizzard of 1888, this catastrophic storm claimed over 400 lives and paralyzed cities like New York and Boston. Railroads were submerged, telegraph lines snapped, and entire communities were isolated for weeks. People were forced to tunnel through snowbanks to find food and supplies. This storm spurred the development of underground utilities and improved weather forecasting. The Great Blizzard remains a chilling reminder of nature's fury and humanity's resilience.